As part of the driver assistance system in your Genesis Electrified G80, some models may be equipped with the intelligent speed limit assist function. This system uses information detected from the road, combined with the navigation system data, to let the driver know the speed limit and other important information. Additionally, intelligent speed limit assist aids the driver in maintaining the posted speed limit. To turn on the system, press Setup, then Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Speed Limit from the Settings menu. By turning this on, the system will inform the driver of the speed limit and other important road signs. If speed limit warning is turned on, not only will the system inform the driver of the speed limit, but will also give warning when the vehicle is exceeding the speed limit. These warnings include messages on your instrument cluster such as displaying speed limit, warning over speed, and changing set speed. If Off is selected, the Intelligent Speed Limit Assist feature will be turned off. The Speed Limit Offset option enables the detected speed limit to be offset to a positive or a negative value. To adjust, press Setup, and then select Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Speed Limit, and Speed Limit Offset. Note that the system may not function properly if an object is covering the front detection camera or if the road signs are not distinguishable. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.